Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20 and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications by swiping down, then swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you will have the power saving mode. Now for me it is on the second page, so I'm going to swipe to the left. You can see it right over here. When you see it, simply click on it. It will bring up this message: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects, and other high-powered features to extend battery life. So we're going to just click on OK. And as you can see, that's all you need to do. It is now enabled and that's it. It adds a red outline around your battery just to signify that it is right now enabled. And once you're done with it and you want to turn it off, simply find the toggle once again, tap on it, and it will then turn off. Possibly if you plug in your device to charging, it might disable power saving mode as well, but I haven't tested it out, so you can do that if you're interested. Now with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.